When you're building DIY projects, one of the biggest challenges can be coming up with a way to hold everything together to create assemblies that are strong and will last. A lot of people think you need advanced woodworking skills to create a strong assembly, but you really don't. There's a simple way called pocket hole joinery. Pocket hole joinery is done with just a drill and a Kreg jig. The jig guides a special stepped drill bit that creates an angled hole called a pocket hole. You drill a pocket hole in just one of the two pieces that you want to put together, and then drive in a pocket hole screw to create a strong, lasting joint. After you drill the pocket hole, all you have to do is bring the one piece into position against the one you're going to join it to, and then drive in a pocket hole screw, and it's just that easy to attach the two pieces together. So this is the bottom for our step back cupboard and the sides, so we'll drill some holes along this edge, and a few more along the front for that face frame we're going to add later, and we'll be almost ready to start project assembly. So once you drill the pocket holes, in this case in the bottom panel, you can really see the project start to take shape. Because here, you'll have the bottom, bring in both sides, and then all you have to do is drive pocket hole screws in to attach these pieces together, and you can see how easily a box really starts to take shape.